And dozens of patients' medical records blowing in the wind could leave some Kansas City healthcare providers facing massive fines. A Good Samaritan collected some of them and gave them to our reporter Garrett Hake. He now joins us live from where this happened at Research Medical Center to tell us what's next.
Well, tonight the investigation continues into how all these documents ended up in an open-air dumpster in what could be a major violation of federal medical privacy laws. And also tonight, a local attorney says this isn't the first time Research has had problems handling documents correctly.
Our law firm has a case pending against Research Medical Center for a breach of a patient's medical records.
In that case, a hospital worker is accused of handing over medical records to someone unauthorized to see them, a violation of federal HIPAA law, the same rules in place here.
Federal law requires care providers to shred, burn, pulverize, or otherwise make medical records unreadable if they destroy them. That's clearly not what happened in this case.
Instead, this man, who asked us to hide his identity to protect his privacy, said he saw hundreds of documents marked Midwest Women's Healthcare simply tossed in a dumpster.
With the wind blowing from the south, they were clearly coming from, Research Hospital, which is straight to the south.
Once they put those records in the dumpster for anyone to see, clearly they blew around the city, and God knows who has seen those records.
The attorney says the hospital is still in breach of HIPAA laws in this case for not doing everything they can to get the records back. They haven't asked us anything about the ones we've recovered.
They have the duty to try to retrieve those records as quickly as possible. They have to go out and find the records where they may have been and get them back.
Meanwhile, 41 Action News has been reaching out to the dozens of women in the records we obtained to return them, from 17 years old at the youngest all the way to 87, each furious.
It's not at all what I would expect from a hospital, a place that I trust enough to have my children there.
If each of these sheets is its own HIPAA violation, each could cost those responsible around $50,000, making this stack a more than $3 million mistake that tonight is still under investigation. Reporting live, Garrett Hake, 41 Action News.